she says, Huzur, Allah is Sami and Basir. So why Allah employs angels to keep a record of our deeds and actions?
Record keeping is a work which is entrusted to angels, and Allah does not have to do everything to himself. Like in the kingdom, the ultimate source of orders is the king, but under his orders there is a huge machinery. Hundreds of thousands of people are employed to carry out his word. So it is similar in the case of Allah. He first of all teaches everyone of the angels what to do, and once they are taught their duties, they take over, and Allah does not have to interfere in everything.